You know how some dogs are afraid of thunderstorms and some dogs are afraid of fireworks? This dog is not afraid of either, but he is afraid of the windows opening and closing in the wind. Are you a giant baby? The answer is yes, he is a giant baby. And no, I will not be getting my lap back soon. I do love you, buddy, but I literally can't breathe at the moment. Your kiss is about to come of death. If anyone's wondering, he still thinks he's a lapdog. He's breathing right into my ear. I lost my spot. Let him come a little close, and now he came really close.